Next sentence is very simple, just one new word. I means love. So, 我爱你 I love you. 我爱你。他和他和他和 means and. Somebody and somebody. So 他和他 he and she. In Chinese, he or she, both are pronounced the same. 他. So when you speak, you don't know that's a he or she. 他和他 he and she. 他是谁？他是谁？他 he or she 是 to be 谁 who who the person who so 他是谁 is who he is. But in Chinese, the sentence orders, the vocabulary, just the different order with English. That's he is who. 他是谁? And the answer always he or she is the name. "我 means I, but when you use it with your family member, 我 can also mean I and my. So 我爸爸 here 爸爸 daddy. So 我爸爸 means my dad. So here's the 我 is my dad. 妈妈 as what we said. 我 it means I, but when it's used with family member, it can also mean my. Here, 她 here this character is she, but when it's used with mama, mother, it can also mean her. So 她妈妈 means her mother. 小孩子 孩子 child 小 small. So 小孩子 means little child, little children. 我 I, but we talked about 朋友 朋友 means friend. So 我朋友 that means my friend. 我朋友爱吃吗 Here we are going to learn a new question pattern. When a sentence ended with this ma, and that's a question, also need to answer with yes or no, like the positive and negative questions. So, 爱 means love. 吃 is a verb to eat. So, 爱吃吗 love to eat something. 吗 And usually you can start with a person. Like, for example, do you like eat something? Then you ask, 你爱吃吗? You love eat something 吗? And the answer is yes, 爱 or 不爱 not love. 不爱吃 not love to eat something.